Hello everyone, I am Arnav and I'm back with another YouTube video, and the topic for today's video is creating engaging content on LinkedIn. And in the end of the video I will share a helpful thing with you, so stay connected with me till the end. Now let's see that what we will learn from this video. Firstly, we will understand that why we should create content on LinkedIn, followed by LinkedIn algorithm, content strategies, how we should create the graphics, and what should be the time for producing the content. And in the end, we will see the conclusion. Now, why we should create content on LinkedIn? There are 740 million people on LinkedIn. 55 million registered company are there, and over 1 billion people interact with each other every month. So these numbers speaks for itself that LinkedIn is one of the best platforms for producing content. So most of the people should prefer LinkedIn for creation of the contents. Now the algorithm of LinkedIn depends on three things: connection, relevant content, and post engaging elements. Now let's move to LinkedIn for understanding these three terms practically. Now the first thing was connection. See, connection is really very important, because if you won't connect with people, people won't be able to see your content. So the problem is how you will connect with people. So for that, firstly you have to decide your niche. After deciding your niche, you can type it on the search bar. I'm taking the example of social media marketing. So you can see that a lot of people are here who are from social media marketing. So you can connect with these people and you can write a note that why you want to get a connection with them. Okay, so here is where you can connect with peoples. Okay, you can use all filters also. Here are the filters also. Okay, so you can use the filters also. Suppose that if you want from any company or past your company, your school, your industry, your profile language, where is your service category, so all of the filters you can use here, your keywords. Okay, so these filters also you can use for connecting with people. Now the second is relevancy. See, irrelevant content LinkedIn don't promote, and they just promote relevant content. Now what is this relevant and irrelevant content? You have to analyze that the content which you are producing from your niche is helpful for the audience or not. If that those elements or those graphics or your content is not relevant, then LinkedIn won't promote that. So you need to produce relevant content if you want to grow your account on LinkedIn. Now the third one was post engaging elements. Now let's move to one of my posts. So this post is about methods of connecting with people on Instagram. Now you can see that this content was relevant, therefore LinkedIn promoted this content. 4,772 views I got in this post. This is the highest views which I have got in any of the posts. So this is it is called the relevancy. This content was relevant, therefore LinkedIn promoted it. Now the post engaging element. Now these are the post engaging element. Now here comes like, celebrate, support, love, insightful, and curious. Okay, now you need to understand that the content which you are seeing, any other person content, what you have to give them. Okay, you want to support them, or that content is insightful, or you like that content. You have to understand that you have to like other content very strategically, and you have to comment on it also very strategically. Because what happen is, if you will like anyone's content, it will show in your feed. Okay, so these are the post engaging elements. Now let's get back to the presentation. Now here comes the presentation. Now the next was content strategy. See, content strategy include two things. First is content creation and the second is content curation. Now, what is the difference between this content creation and curation? Content creation is when you produce the content by yourself, and content curation is when you find the content from the Google or the articles or the posts and you make it in your way and then you produce it. Then it is known as content creation. Sorry, curation. Okay, so your content strategy should include both creation as well as curation. Now, the problem comes when ideas don't strike into your mind. Okay, so for that I'm having something for you. No, I'm not switching it to LinkedIn again. I'm sharing some other thing. So here's a tool whose name is answerthepublic.com. So you can go to this tool and this tool will help you to understand about how you can create the content and what topic you should choose. Now how it works. Suppose that your niche is email marketing. Okay, now I'm taking it as one of my previous example, which is SMS marketing. Okay, I have written here SMS marketing. Now you have to click on search. Okay, now scroll down. Now you can see that a lot of question has come here. These are the question which most of the people search when they come to Google. Now you can see that there are a lot of content on a single keyword, which is SMS marketing. Okay, now what you can do is you can take these keyword and you can make content on it. Okay, so you have got the tool from which you can create the content. Now let's get back to the presentation. Okay, now how you will create the graphics. See, graphic designing, I know it's a really very big thing. Those Photoshop, Illustrator, and these are really very tough, and to be very honest, content creators don't need that expertise. Okay, so how we can create the content? We can use this tool which is known as Canva. Now let's move to Canva for understanding how this tool is been used. Okay, no, I'm not showing this, guys. Wait for a minute. I'm opening Canva. Okay, so this is canva.com. So this tool is known as canva.com. From here you can design your own content also, if you want to design according to your niche and according to your instant, that yeah, I want to create this content like this. If you have something in your mind, then you can create it by yourself also. Here's a create design option also. But if you don't have any idea, then what you can do is, if you want to create carousels, you can go to this presentation arena. Okay, it's taking time. My net is slow. Oh, it has come. Okay, I think I have underestimated my network. So here's the thing. Now you will get a lot of presentation idea from here. You can choose the color also. For example, if you want your identity to be from black or orange or white. Okay, so you can choose the colors also. Now you can, what you can do is you can, for example, I have chosen this presentation. Okay, now I've chosen this. Now I can make changes in this and make it according to us. Okay, so by this you can get the idea of creating the carousels. Now you can create the Instagram post, Instagram story, video, logo, and a lot of things. Okay, here you don't get the option for only LinkedIn. You can create the content for any platforms. Okay, so now let's get back to the presentation. I guess my network is too slow. How? See, the time comes when we should know that what should be the time for uploading the content. See, I've not written anything in this presentation, but let's understand that what should could be the time for producing the content. See, LinkedIn is one of the professional platform. So here people switch to LinkedIn then only when they are on their job. So what is the normal time for the people in when they are in the job? That time is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. At this time, most of the professionals are there on job, and they use LinkedIn also, because LinkedIn is helpful for hiring also, for recruiting also, for giving jobs also, and for getting jobs also. So it is a professional platform. For the time you should post your content is should be between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this must be the time when you should post your content. Now let's move ahead. Now the times come of the conclusion. Now what you have to what we have learned from this video is you have to make connection, and you have to analyze that your content is relevant or not. Then you have to include both content creation as well as curation in your strategies. Okay, and you can use that tool also, answerthepublic.com, which I have told you. And you have to use Canva for graphic design. You don't need to put a lot of time in other tools, because other tools are really very complicated, and Canva is professional also, and it is very easy also. And the time which you should choose for producing your content should be between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so I have promised you that I will share something really very helpful for you. So for that I have to switch to again my Google screen. Okay, so here's the thing. Now what the problem is that we want to learn, but we don't get the platform from where we can learn the things. Okay, so here I am giving you one of the thing is you can go to this website. Okay, I will mention this website link in my description also. You can go from there and view it also. From here you can learn a lot of things. Okay, you can learn communication, startup innovation, finance, marketing, operation, and there are other courses also which you can go and explore, and you can learn a lot from them. And when you will complete this course, now the best part is this is a free course. Okay, from HP. Okay, HP is one of the reputed company, so you will get a certification also after completion of this course. So I will show you. Suppose that if you complete any course, you will get this kind of certificate. Okay, see, you can see that HP Live, this certification you will get when you will complete this course. Okay, so it is a really very helpful thing. In this you will gain a knowledge related to any field, and you will get this certification also, which you can use on your LinkedIn and on your CVs also. With this, we come to the end of this video. Thank you for being with me till the end. Till the next time I upload the video, keep smiling, be productive, don't be busy.